Welcome to 21 days of chanting session. This session is for your benefit. Just a little preparation from your side will maximize the benefit of this session. Can we make sure we are at a quiet place? We are sitting very comfortably with a stable body. We are going to keep our mind 100% with chanting for the purification. All right, welcome to the 6th day of peace, inducing journey of 21 days. we continue to fight with our mind. We are determined not to give up, but are strengthening our fight further with each passing day. All we are fighting against is our own habits, and we are going to change it in the magical 21 days. We are determined to sleep by 10. We are determined to control our diet. And we are determined for internalizing virtues of patience, forgiveness, and no anger. The virtue that we are going to instill in us today is the humbleness to set ourselves free from the false ego. We vow to work on controlling ego from today. Ego causes clashes in the family, and the absence of ego makes the family bonding unshakable. The biggest hurdle in spiritual growth is ego. A superinflated ego is harmful for a person as he can never adjust to others' thinking because of their false sense of superiority. An ego trip is a journey to a dead end. The bigger the ego, the harder the fall. Let us wash away the ego from within with the Swarvit chanting today.
मद मदांध जग जीव है, पतन जगत मुख होय। मद मदांध जग जीव है, पतन जगत मुख होय। ऊपर को उठत नहीं, सहत दुसह दुख सोय। ऊपर को उठत नहीं, सहत दुसह दुख सोय। धन मद बल मद जाति मद, विद्या मद सब त्याग। धन मद बल मद जाति मद, विद्या मद सब त्याग। तब मानव जीवन बने, संत चरण अनुराग। तब मानव जीवन बने, संत चरण अनुराग। मदी बोध होवे नहीं, मदी न सरल स्वभाव। मदी बोध होवे नहीं, मदी न सरल स्वभाव। मदी शांति सुख नहीं मिले, मद अंधा बहकाव। मदी शांति सुख नहीं मिले, मद अंधा बहकाव। राग द्वेष कोई से नहीं, विगत काम मद क्रोध। राग द्वेष कोई से नहीं, विगत काम मद क्रोध। नाम रतन पर खत रहे, अंतर अगम प्रबोध। नाम रतन पर खत रहे, अंतर अगम प्रबोध। काम क्रोध मद लोभ नहीं, मत सर मोहन संत। काम क्रोध मद लोभ नहीं, मत सर मोहन संत। अविचल अगम स्नेह में, सदा भजे भगवन। अविचल अगम स्नेह में, सदा भजे भगवन। काम क्रोध मद लोभ में, मोह विषय रत लीन। काम क्रोध मद लोभ में, मोह विषय रत लीन। नर दुर्लभ जीवन गया, तभी तक शरण अधीन। नर दुर्लभ जीवन गया, तब तक शरण अधीन। Welcome to day 6. Without giving up ego, one cannot advance on this important journey. Ego can only accelerate one's downfall. We have to be aware that this false pride is the root cause of most of the day-to-day battles we bring upon ourselves. Humility and empathy are the most needed noble virtues that help every individual in addressing everyday challenges and at the same time in uplifting themselves and propelling them towards greater spiritual advancement. Guru's grace, blessings, peace and bliss all await outside when ego guards at the gate of the heart. Guru and ego both cannot live together in our hearts. Let us allow this precious body to be the home of love, and let us pledge to shatter the pot of ego from our head and the heart. Sadgurudev Bhagwan ki jai.
Let us purify our restless mind by taking bath in the melody of bhajan. This welcome song is sung during the day when some very divine soul takes birth to help humankind to get rid of all the sorrow and show the path of liberation. This day is considered to be a very auspicious day. When Lord Sadguru Dio appeared into human form to liberate the soul who are in the bondage. So let us hear the welcome song now. I would like to invite Kalpana Shukla ji from India to sing the bhajan.
प्रेम से बोलिए सद्गुरुदेव भगवान की जय। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। तीन लोक नवखंड में गुरु से बड़ा न को, करता करे ना कर सके, गुरु करे सो हो। प्रेम से बोले शक्तिदेव भगवान की जय। माता है देवी पिता देव, दुर्लभ धन जीवन हो। माता है देवी पिता देव, दुर्लभ धन जीवन हो। प्यारी जाही कोखी योगी जन्म उज्जवल, विश्व हो वेले हो। प्यारी जाही कोखी योगी जन्म उज्जवल, विश्व हो वेले हो। धन सो ग्राम धन ठाम, धनिय कुल जातीय हो। धन सो ग्राम धन ठाम, धनिय कुल जातीय हो। प्यारी धन्य सो योगी, प्रिया बाला शरण योगी जीवन हो। प्यारी धन्य सो योगी, प्रिया बाला शरण योगी जीवन हो। धन सो देश वह प्रांत, धनिय वह के बासिय हो। धन सो देश वह प्रांत, धनिय वह के बासिय हो। प्यारी धन्य धरनी सतसंगी, धन योगी दर्शन हो। प्यारी धन्य धरनी सतसंगी, धन्य योगी दर्शन हो। मंगल सदा फल गावे, सुबुद्धि नर भावे ले हो। मंगल सदा फल गावे, सुबुद्धि नर भावे ले हो। प्यारी योगी प्रकाश, विश्व कारज शुद्ध पथ दर्शन हो। प्यारी योगी प्रकाश, विश्व कारज शुद्ध पथ दर्शन हो। प्यारी जाही कोखिय योगी जन्म उज्जवल, विश्व हो वेले हो। प्रेम से बोले सद्गुरुदेव भगवान की जय।
Now, we will be chanting the Gayatri Mantra. By chanting the Gayatri Maha Mantra, we pray to the Lord Almighty by saying, O Protector Lord, you are all life, destroyer of sorrow, the bliss incarnate, the Creator, worthy of acceptance, the most exalted, the giver of divine powers. I meditate upon you. Please guide my intellect to the righteous path. I request everyone to sit upright and chant along in a loud and clear voice. These 21 days of chanting therapy is dedicated to the birth anniversary celebration of His Holiness Sant Pravar Shri Vigyan Deoji Maharaj. The divine message for today is Sant Pravar Shri Vigyan Devji Maharaj is highlighting the importance of controlling our mind. A true accomplishment in this world is possible only when one has complete control over his mind. Brahma Vidya is the only way to achieve this control, where a seeker can be at peace, no matter whether he faces a trivial challenge in his life or he is in the middle of the ultimate battle of his life. May peace be upon you. May you succeed in your determined goal in these 21 days of purification journey. We shall conclude the session with Shantipat.
जय सद्गुरुदेव। हे प्रभु शांति स्वरूप हो, शांति शांतिमय शांति, शांति शांति जन शांति हो, पूर्ण शांतिमय शांति। हे प्रभु शांति प्रदान कर, दूर हो सर्व अशांति। देव सदा फल शांतिमय, शांति शांति सुख शांति। जय सद्गुरुदेव।
I thank Urvashi Jhaji for presenting Swarved Doha, Kalpana Shukla ji from India for bhajan, and Radha Kumari ji for Shantipat. My name is Monica, and I'm delighted to have served you as your host today. With this, we conclude the session on the chanting theme of today, ego. Let us do our best to follow this in our life. See you again tomorrow with equal zeal and determination. Jai Sadguru to you all.
Jai Sadgurudev. Thank you.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Satgurudev. Thank you.
Thank you so much.